Hello mga kabahay! Another day, another beautiful house. At andito tayo sa Alegria Residences, isa sa exclusive subdivision na nasa boundary lang ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan at Marilao. 100% flood-free po tayo at napaka-exclusive itong subdivision na to. Nakita niyo itong napakagandang bahay. Ito ay ang iisa nating RFO or Ready for Occupancy Unit at napakalaki ng lot area. 277 square meter ang lot area nito. So nakita nyo ang ating living, dining, and kitchen. Kitchen I'm gonna show you later. This one is our first room dito sa ground floor. So kung meron tayong mga lolo-lola sa bahay, it's actually nice. Yung nakita nyo yan, dyan ang ating lanay. So ito ang ating full kitchen. So, ang laki ng kitchen natin. And then, I'm gonna show you our service area. So, dahil sa malaki nga ang lot area nito, malaki rin ang ating service area. Malaki yung ating available lot sa gilid din. So, both side, meron tayong available lots na you can actually have a future development kung gusto nyong extend ang inyong bahay in the future. So, itong bahay na to, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths. At nakita nyo kanina, 2 ang pwedeng sasakyan dun sa ating open garage. Actually, nauuso na ngayon yung car lift. So, kung gusto nyong like 4 na car, you can have 2 car lift in there. But then, because you have extra lot pa naman, pwede nyo rin gawin yan as your car park. So, ito yung ating first bedroom. Meron tayong isang common bathroom dito. Ayan yung pinto na yan. And then, this one is our parang family area dun sa taas. Then, this is our second bedroom dito sa taas. At ito yung ating master's bedroom. Itong master's bedroom natin, meron tayong toilet and bath dito. Yan, malaki ang ating toilet and bath dito sa ating master's bedroom. At of course, dito sa ating second floor, meron tayong magandang balcony. So, harap ng ating family area is our balcony. So, at night, kung gusto nyo mag-chill, yan, pwedeng-pwede, napakaganda. So, if you want to know more about this, you want to have house viewing, of course, I'll be more than happy to assist you to see this beautiful house. And I hope that you can like here kasi napakaganda po ng community. So, I'm going to leave my number here. You can message me through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. So, this one is our toilet and bath dito sa first floor. At ang ganda ng ating mga pindutan, diba, ng ating electric. So, thank you so